Hello everyone, my name is Shrestha, and today we are going somewhere. I don't know where we're going exactly. I'm gonna kill you later, I promise. I still don't know where we're going right now. Maybe we are going somewhere. I don't know what in the freaking world. जाने चाहिँ कहाँ जाने भन्दै त
तेरो घर मामा
भन्न भन्
तेरो मामा घर चल्न लाग्यो
त्यो अस्तिको ठाउँमा जाने भनेको
है
के नाम के हो भन्नु त मम्मी
रिचल पार्क
यस
Finally know that. I'm finally in the Rachel Park right now.
जर्सीको लुगा त पुरानै हुन्छ अरे को दिदीले नि त्यसो भन्नु जर्सीको लुगा चाहिँ नकिने चाहिँ किन्नु भन्दै थियो दुनियाँले लाखौँ लुगा I feel like there's some ghost over here, I guess, a spirit. Like I'm alone over here and I'm hearing some kind of weird noises. See? So I need to run from here. See you. Finally I made it to my family. मन दादा अघि नि मैले गोस्ट देखेको नि एउटा भूत देखेको साँच्ची हो के कता कताबाट एउटा नोइज आएको जङ्गलमा and I'm climbing a hill right now. It's freaking hard to climb. Mandar hold got the camera. And my brother is not believing me. I don't know why. Literally I saw a noise over there. And I'm climbing a hill right now. It's freaking hard to climb. Mandar hold got the camera.
Peace out.
Finally, we made it to a nice view. Yo! Oh! मम्मी अघि नै हामीले भूत देखेको नि मैले भूत देखेको यहाँबाट जाम मम्मी यहाँबाट उफ्रेर जाम Anyhow, I will go from here. Here you go, I made it from here. My mom noticed that. I don't know why my shoes are making some kind of noises right now. Ew. Leona! Jam sujuda betam. Suzu, can you wait for me? I need to tell you something.
Tell me something.
I saw a ghost on this angle.
Uh-oh. Look at that. Come here.
Dang.
I got it. You be nice. You be nice.
Yo, I literally saw a ghost.
Wow. How
Yeah.
can you see a ghost that's like transparent? What? This isn't Suicide
Oh, is it?
Forest.
It is. It is
Suicide Forest
Japanese
in Japan.
Suicide Forest.
Suicide Forest in Japan.
We don't know
we're
where
not
we're
Japan.
at right now. We are at Japan right now. Japan.
Pretty sure we're still in Texas. And it's 8:30 in the morning. And I'm tired.
I don't know why everyone is ignoring me. My two mommy, my sister, my cousin, and my brother. Oh, I didn't ask my dad. Daddy, मैले अघि नै भूत देखेको उता देखेको के
Oh, is that why you're screaming like a little girl?
No.
You want to see?
Anyhow, I will climb that stone place. See? I'm climbing it. Suzu, see? Dry soil. Dry soil.
What are you trying to become? YouTuber?
No, a researcher.
A researcher?
Yeah,
Of what? What are you researching?
of mud or of jungle. Saying like, is there any ghost or not? On the jungle. Yeah, almost.
You said researcher.
Yeah.
Researcher and ghost hunter are completely different things.
I know, but I'm trying to make exact thing, you know.
Excuses.
I want to combine that thing, you know.
So you're gonna go to every forest and see if there are any ghosts.
Yeah,
Cool.
if you want to.
Cool. If you want to find a ghost, just come to my house.
Are you sure there is a ghost on your house?
Yeah. So you know all my glasses case, like you know where I put my glasses.
Yeah.
And how on top is like my glasses case.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I was like around 12:30. 12:30 in the morning. I heard something fall, so I wake up. That's
Yeah.
like across the room.
Dang.
Yeah.
Does your family believe that?
Nope.
Oh yeah.
One day I will. Next. Suzu, see? Dry soil. Dry soil.
What are you trying to become? YouTuber?
No, a researcher.
A researcher?
Yeah,
Of what? What are you researching?
of mud or of jungle. Saying like, is there any ghost or not? On the jungle. Yeah, almost.
You said researcher.
Yeah.
Researcher and ghost hunter are completely different things.
I know, but I'm trying to make exact thing, you know.
Excuses.
I want to combine that thing, you know.
So you're gonna go to every forest and see if there are any ghosts.
Yeah,
Cool.
if you want to.
Cool. If you want to find a ghost, just come to my house.
Are you sure there is a ghost on your house?
Yeah. So you know all my glasses case, like you know where I put my glasses.
Yeah.
And how on top is like my glasses case.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I was like around 12:30. 12:30 in the morning. I heard something fall, so I wake up. That's
Yeah.
like across the room.
Dang.
Yeah.
Does your family believe that?
Nope.
Oh yeah.
One day I will. Next mission, I'm gonna go to my cousin's house and search for a ghost, you know. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and like that video. Those who do that, thank you. Yo, why are we going to the same place?
We're going to the same place, but we're going to a different route.
Maybe I heard a noise over there.
This is how I normally walk. This is how I normally walk.
Frizzy. I don't want to hear that noise again. Yeah, I literally saw a noise over there. Right over here. It was kind of freaking noise, you know, like oh, something like that. Finally, again made it to the nice view. My hair is messed up because of the wind right now. Leona, say hi. Leona, say hi.
That's not very attractive.
No, she's just trying to say hi to my camera. Say hi, Leona.
She hates cameras. Really.
No,
Yeah, she hates getting her picture taken or getting recorded.
I don't think so.
She does. That's why I don't.
It's
have
just
a lot
you.
of
It's just
pictures.
you who hates like recording.
Well, she is my daughter, so she's just like me. Essentially.
You are literally telling your thing to her.
Yeah, no. Turning my dog to not like pictures. It's great.
Yo, I really saw a ghost on the jungle.
Wow.
I did.
Mom, that small dog compared to her? It's not gonna work.
यिनीहरू 4 जना थियो अहिले फेरि बढेर 5 जना बनाएको छ
के
नितेशहरू के गर न ढुङ्गा ढुङ्गा कति ठुलो माछा रहेछ
खै
यताको भाँसिएको के के भन्नु त्यो गिलिगिली हो
चट्टानै रहेछ कि यहाँ
fishy. Yo. Kita deh. Itu deh.
लुक्ने पाल जस्तो बनाइदिएको के माछा लुक्ने
त्यो अन्डा पार्नलाई के गोडहरू बनाइदियो
Now you want to go? Is that what's happening?
कस्तो छ
Now you see another
Cha.
guy do it. Now you want
अघि देखेको थियो.
कछुवा त्यो त्यहाँ थियो अघि
ठुलो थियो.
ल्याएर राख्यो होला नि
What's what the deal? I'm about to go park.
Finally, I made it to my apartment. And please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Finally, I made it to my apartment. And please do like and subscribe. Thank you.